Hey everyone, welcome back to the HTMX series. In the last video, we talked about what HTMX is and why it's a powerful. Today, let's actually see it in action using HXGate. So HXGate is one of the core attributes in the HTMX. It allows you to send a GET request to the server and then insert the response into a specific part of your page without reloading the entire page and without writing any JavaScript. So let's take a quick look at the syntax. You can see here this means when the button is clicked, HTMX sends a GET request to the hello route and the server's response will be inserted inside the div with ID result. Let's hook this up with a small Flask backend. Here is the code. So whenever the button is clicked, this route responds with a short message, hello from the server. Let's see it in action now. I will click the button and boom, you can see the response inserted instantly without any page reload. HX attribute is a great when you want to fetch a content dynamically and without managing any JavaScript. It keeps your front end clean and lightweight. In the next video, we will look at HX post attribute and how you can submit forms without any JavaScript at all. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you are enjoying this series.